click on settings. After that, please click on the apps. Now search on the application Adda 247. Now click on this application. After that, when you will click on this application, click on the storage option. Now open the storage. Now make clear cache of this app. After this, make clear data of this app. Then it is showing all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This include all files, setting, accounts, database, etc. Now click OK. Now come back from storage. After that, click on force stop. Now after selecting the force stop, now click on the option OK. Now back. Now your problem has been resolved. Please restart your phone. After that, your problem will be solved.